Well, grit was the first extracurricular activity I did at uni. And someone actually in the grit session told me that someone described university to them as like an all-you-can-eat buffet, and the degree is one of the main meals, and all the other things you can be doing are like the other meals that you can get in an all-you-can-eat buffet. So yeah, it really helped me firstly see the value of the extracurricular activities. Not enough people use the facilities and the opportunities that the university gives you. So it helped me be more proactive, I'd say, in seeking opportunities and stuff like that.